Welcome. In front of me I have REALME 8 and today I'm going to make the fingerprint sensor test. I will show you how it works, if it is fast or if it's reliable also. So just get it, let's make like few tries. I linked this finger to sensor as you can see. So let's go, let's start it. Let's make a few unlocks and we will see how it goes. So as you can see right now, it recognizes my fingerprint every time. It works really good. So you put your finger on the sensor and after half of the second the phone is unlocked. The good point also for the smartphone that as you can hear right here, as you can take a look here, I just installed tempered glass on the display. So even when you got the tempered glass, the screen protection, the sensor still can recognize your fingerprint every time. So it means that it's very sensitive and it's really good. And that's it. As you can see, it works every time. It's fast. Of course, it's not the fastest sensor, but it's really fast and it's reliable. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.